the window. Really?
Wow. Yeah, that has
Still got through.
Yep.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Dewey County in northwest Oklahoma until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a thunderstorm with a history of producing a tornado was located 9 miles northwest of Putnam, moving east at 30 miles an hour.
It's going to go now. Anytime. It's going now. It's definitely going now.
Baby.
He's going now. He's coming.
Too close.
There it goes.
Probably one of those.
Yeah, it looks fairly
I think we're going to get a very good storm concept up here.
There's a helicopter.
Where?
Up top, right there.
They do that sometimes out here.
Go fly.
10-4, I saw a deep lorry building just a few minutes ago.
There's currently a TVS signature over Kingsport, Oklahoma.
We gotta get out of here because if that rear flank downdraft catches us, it will be scary. We'll have 60, 70, 80 mile an hour winds and rain blowing sideways and hail banging up against us. I think we're getting out of it though. I think we're gonna get out.
Anything behind you? I'm gonna hang at you. 10-4. Right up here, there is no hail.